How to make her curious about you all day. Want her thinking about you all day? Try this. Number one thing to do if you want her to think about you all day is don't overshare your life. Leave some stories behind. Do you understand? If you meet a woman, maybe for the first time, you are just knowing her and you people are dating, make sure you leave some stories behind. Women don't need to know all your stories at once, at one sitting. Men love men who are mysterious. Men, they cannot predict who they are at once, at a sitting, at just knowing him. Most men, yes, it's true, open mouth to tell a woman the one they are supposed to hear and the one they are not supposed to hear. On that very point, on that very day, they met them. It is not a good thing. If you want a woman to keep thinking about you, make sure you leave some things. Don't begin to tell her you have traveled here and there. Just leave those ones for some weeks. She will keep rushing. The next way to make her chase you, think about you all day, is be calm and still interact with her. What do I mean by this? You should make sure you are calm, because women love confident men, men who carry themselves with elegance. So while you still interact with her, make sure you are calm. Show that masculinity, the man you are. The next way to make a woman think about you all day is don't be flashy, but show value. Make sure you don't dress to impress her. Don't talk to impress her, but make sure you show who you are. You shouldn't act like a boy, rather act like a matured man. The next way to make her think about you is review things gradually to keep curiosity. What do I mean by this? If you meet her, you are dating her, make sure you tell her one thing at a time. Don't expose everything about you, your family background, the job you do, where you travel to, the siblings you have. Make sure you keep these things secret. Tell her one thing at a time and watch her behavior. And this is reason why most men fall into the hands of bad women. When they hear everything about you, things that will make them feel that they will get more from you, no things that make you look flashy, expose you, your secret, they are going to use it against you. They are going to use it to harm you. Make sure you know how to deal with women. Tell them things once at a time. Don't say what you're not supposed to say. Make sure you are the man in that relationship. The next way to make a woman chase you, and by doing this, she will begin to imagine, oh, if this man is like this from what he has told me, that means what he has not revealed is going to be more than this. Make sure you follow this line. The next way to make a woman think about you all day long, especially a woman you love, is maintain boundaries. Never appear desperate. This is very true. Make sure at the beginning of that relationship, you let her know what you want. And you as well keep to that. If you tell her you don't like somebody coming late for any appointment, make sure you don't go late for such appointment. If you tell her you don't eat certain food, make sure you don't manage it. This is the reason why most men are suffering in marriage, in relationships. You see them eating what they are not supposed to eat. In whatever you need from her in marriage, make sure you start it in that dating, in that courtship. This is the only way to get a woman being in obedience to you. The next thing you must do to make her think about you all day long is mystery plus confidence equals to attraction. Make sure you are not always around her. Maybe she calls you sometimes. Keep your phone away from you. Don't pick. Let her think about you. Let her wonder where you are. Let her wonder what has happened to you. If you do this, you will make her increase the love she has for you. But whenever a woman texts and you reply back, whenever she calls and you pick, it shows you are doing nothing. But the main reason why you should not do this, you should keep mystery, is so that she will begin to long and hunger to see you. I want to add that a little mystery makes you unforgettable. Yes, I have come to the end of today's teaching. I want you to put your hand in the subscribe button if this video makes sense to you. Follow for more relationship hacks. Comment curious if you will try this. Kindly make sure you follow us in this channel. Love you. Bye bye.